Hello and welcome. Let's see if you can solve two of my favorite problems, the brick problem and the burger problem. Let's start with the brick one. A brick weighs 2 kilos plus half of the brick's weight. So, what does the brick weigh? Pause now if you want to think some more about it. The answer is 4 kilos. So, did you get it right? Or did you answer 3 kilos, like many do? So, how do you solve it? With some simple math, of course. We want to know the weight of the brick, so let's call that x. What we do know is that the brick weighs 2 kilos plus half of the brick's weight, half an x. To figure this equation out, we need to move the x's to one side of the equation sign. By doing this, we need to make a negative. Therefore, we get x minus half an x equals 2 kilos. Are you with me? So then we know that half an x is 2 kilos, and we can say 2 kilos plus 2 kilos, which equals 4 kilos. Ta-da! And there's your answer. But then obviously we have the other people who don't think they need math in their lives, and this is how they'd solve it. They take a paper and they pick up a pen, then they would draw the brick out and realize that you can split it in two. Put 2 kilos on one side and half of the brick on the other. And then realizing how simple this problem actually is, since 2 plus 2 is 4 and half of 4 is 2. And there you have it. Now, let's move on to the burger problem. A burger costs $30. I know, very expensive burger. The meat of the burger costs $25 more than the bread. So imagine that you separate the meat and the bread and you pay separately for them. How much does the bread cost? Ignore the salad, tomatoes and cheese. This is a tricky one as well, so don't let the easy answer fool you. Pause now if you want to think some more about it. The answer is the bread costs $2.50 and thus the meat costs $27.50. Did you get it? Good job! And for you who didn't, here's how to solve it. Since the $25 is a fixed amount that can't be changed, we do not want to touch it. So the meat will definitely cost more than $25, or otherwise the bread would cost 0, and that would not add up to the total amount of 30, right? So $25 are stuck to the meat, and that gives us $5 left. If we were just to assume the bread costs $5, that would be wrong. Sure, the amount equals up to 30, but the meat would not cost $25 more than the bread, but only $20 more. So, instead, split the remaining $5 up and give half of the amount to the meat and half of the amount to the bread. And there's your answer. Bread, $2.50, meat, $27.50. Now, go and try these on your family, your friends, your pets, whatever. I'll guarantee some of them will answer 3 to the first question and 5 to the last question. Good luck and have a nice day!